My name is Bella, and I'm going to tell you my favorite princess story, Cinderella. So, Cinderella has a lot of friends. She has nicest friends, bird friends, all different kinds of friends. There's a big ball, and Cinderella really wants to go, but her mean stepmom won't let her. Cinderella wants to make a dress, but she doesn't have enough time. She has to do the washers, make food, make their tea, and make everything. Poor Cinderella. So the mice made the Cinderella's dress. We can do it, we can do it. We can help Cinderella. And Cinderella was so happy. But Cinderella's stepsisters tear up her dress. Cinderella was sad because she couldn't go to the ball. But then Cinderella's fairy godmother showed up. And then she sings bippity-boppity-boo. And she waved her magic wand and turned a pumpkin into a carriage. And then she made Cinderella a beautiful dress. The fairy godmother goes, "Goodness me, it's getting late. Hurry up, dear. The ball can't wait." So Cinderella goes to the ball and she meets the prince. And then the prince falls in love with her. So when Cinderella was gonna run away, her glass slipper fell off. And the princess people find the slipper, and then they try on every girl, but no girl tries it on fence. Cinderella tried something and it fits. I think Cinderella had really small feet. I bet when Cinderella got married, she had a lot of adventures.
Everyone has a favorite Disney princess story. What's yours?